So this is in Moroccan currency, remember? Euro. This is €1 8 cents. €1 8 cents. Hi guys, how you all doing today? So it's your boy Martins. So in this video guys, I spent my time going out to the supermarket, the grocery shop, to check out the price of things in Casablanca. I want to compare with that of Europe and also in your country, so you can compare as well. So I'll be stepping out shortly, so we go do the comparison ourselves. If you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly do that right now. Click the subscribe button, click the like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Let's go to the grocery shop right now and see how much they sell things here in Casablanca. Let's go. Lots of motorbikes here. So apart from the currency, difference in currency exchange rates on the rest, I think Morocco is very close or similar to with Europe. Almost the same structures and everything looks very, very similar. You can see everything looks very similar. And it's cheaper, and one good thing is that it's cheaper here in Morocco than in Europe. Accommodation, food, feeding, cost of living is way far cheaper, So public transportation here, for example, buses, trams, it's very, very cheap here compared maybe Paris or some other European countries. So this is a tram station right here. So whatever I'm showing you, you just compare, calculate to Moroccan dirhams. So it's written, all the prices here are written in Morocco dirhams. So when you see 37 dirhams, Moroccan dirhams, just say this is €3.07. So you calculate it like that. €3.07. That's 37 dirhams in Morocco. Let's see this. So this Nescafe is 24 dirhams. That's €2.04. So guys, you see the difference in price, in cost of living, especially food items. Yeah, let's continue to compare prices, right, between Morocco and France or Europe in general. So you can see this 38 dirhams and it is 3.8 euros. So when you see 38, just put the point here. Whatever comes after this figure is cent. So This is 38. That's 3 dirham 8 cents, right? Sorry, 3 euro 8 cents, right? Like extra big. The extra big is 82, 81 or 82 dirhams. This is 8.2 euros, guys. Wow. Wow, this is amazing. Guys, once you come to Casablanca and start living in Casablanca, things are quite cheap. Yeah, low cost of living in Casablanca, guys. There is low cost of living here. I can't deny that fact. Let's look out for some others, guys. So I think rice is almost the same price with that of Paris. So this is 2 euros 3 cents. So in Paris almost similar. 2 euros 7 cents. These are peas ingredients for cooking. So it's time for some grocery shopping. So let's do some shopping right now. So this, if you know it, is 12 dirham and 12.95. 12.95, this is 12 dirham is 12 cents and 95. I don't know, after cent, the next thing you call it, I don't know. So for this milk is 13 dirham. So 13 dirham is 1 dirham and 3.9 cents. So this is egg. Now let's check it with egg. I think in Paris this is supposed to be 12 euro. So here is 29 dirhams. So 29 dirhams. Okay, let's just say 30 dirhams. So 30 dirhams is 3 euros. It's 3 euros. So you can see the difference. Oh, okay. I think this is the smaller one. The bigger one. Okay, look at the one I was comparing the price. So let's look at the price of this one. Okay, I think this is the price for this one. So it's 63 dirhams. So this exact one pack is 63 dirhams here. So 63, now let's say 64 dirhams. So 64 dirhams is €6.04. See guys, you see the difference? So it's times 2. In Paris that's about 12 dirhams, and in Casablanca, Morocco, that is 6 dirhams. So it's times 2. So you can just see for yourself. So this is in Moroccan currency, remember. So for this ground vegetable oil, this is 35 dirhams. That should be about 3.5 euros. No, 35 is dirham, yeah, 3.5 euros. Oh boy, it's quite cheap here. Very cheap here. So you can see the bigger pack. So this milk is €1, €1.50. So you see this juice, this is €1.01. So you can see juice, they are all for €1. This is 50 cents, the smaller one. So this mojito is a cocktail, and it's going for 48 dirhams, and 48 dirhams is close to €5. That's 4.8 euro. So you can just see the amount for drinks. You can see this chip. You have to compare with how much they sell it in your location. So this is €9. It has 4 packs. So it has 4. And it's 9 cents. 9 dirham. So 9 dirham is about 90 cents. Not up to €1. This is €1.08. €1.08. You can see this 20 dirhams, that is €2. So guys, time to leave. I have to go back to my hotel right now, and please let me know in the comment section what you think about Casablanca, the prices of things right here in the supermarket. Compare it to your own and let me know where you are watching from and the prices comparison. Let's know, let's compare prices and see if Casablanca is way cheaper than your city. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do that right now. Click on the like button, click on the notification button, like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to leave a comment. Until our next video, thank you very much for Casablanca, Morocco.